Insects, birds, and fish tend to be the creatures that humans feel furthest from. Unlike many mammals, they do not engage in human-like behavior. The way they swarm or flock together does not usually get good press coverage either. Marching like worker ants might be a common smile for city commuters, but it's a damning, not positive image. Yet, a new school of scientific theory suggests that these worms might have a lot to teach us. American author Peter Miller explains, I used to think that individual ants knew where they were going and what they were supposed to do when they got there. But Deborah Gordon, a biologist at Stanford University, showed me that nothing an ant does making any sense except in terms of the whole colony, which makes you wonder if, as individuals, we don't serve a similar function for the companies where we work or the commuters where we live. Ants are not intelligent by themselves, yet as a colony they make wise decisions, and as Gordon discovered during her research, there's no one ant making decisions or giving orders. Take food collecting. No ant decides. There's lots of food around today. Lots of ants should go out to collect it. Instead, some foragers go out, and as soon as they find food, they pick it up and come back to the nest. At the entrance, they brush past reserve foragers, sending a go-out signal. The faster the foragers come back, the more food there is, and the faster other foragers go out, until gradually the amount of food being brought back diminishes. An organic calculation has been made to answer the question, how many foragers does the colony need today? And if something goes wrong, a hungry lizard prowling around for an ant snack, for instance, then a rush of ants returning without food send grazing reserves a don't go out signal